Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to FXAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So today's video, my friend, is the weekly free trade setup that I give to my email newsletter, my YouTube subscribers, and we're going to get into this week's setup in just a second. So it was another fantastic trading week last week. Plenty of pips were made with our service, and really looking forward to the week ahead. So before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. So this week's free setup, we're going to go in detail on a possible selling opportunity on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Okay, so I'm just going to open up the chart and we're going to go over this trading opportunity. And as always, we're going to always start on the higher time frames. I work down from the higher monthly or weekly time frames. And this week I'm looking at the weekly chart to start. Okay, so currently we are at a weekly area here that's holding pretty nicely. A weekly resistance area. And we have this weekly selling zone here. This weekly sell zone is also holding nice also. Okay. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, this area here, the reason I look at this area and this area here is because this area caused a new low in this move down. You can see we had a lower low. This didn't create a lower low. This one did, a lower low. Comes back up to test this area, and then it created another huge drop here. So this is an area of interest for selling opportunity, and as you can see, as price is coming in to this area, okay, we've had these huge strides up from this year's low that happened in March, and it's rallied up nearly 1,200 pips since then. And you can see as it's coming into this area, market started to move sideways on the weekly charts, which is a period of distribution. And what I'm looking to do here is I'm looking for a selling opportunity. Okay, I'm just going to zoom into the daily charts. Okay, so you can see a bit more clearly the sideways movement in the markets from these strides up here. The market has slowed down and starting to move sideways. We are also getting many various divergence signals happening inside this area. So at the minute we are in a range, and these are the tops and bottoms of the range. Okay, so what I'm noticing straight away is a nice daily zone there that's untested, okay, at the top of this range. So what I'm expecting here is a very simple basic setup, is the market to rally up to here and then drop back down towards here. Okay, longer term, maybe break down through. Okay, so until either top of this range gets broken or the bottom of this range gets broken, I'm simply going to play these. This is a range market in this period of distribution. Okay, and the reason I'm selling is because we're at this long-term higher time frame selling area. Okay, and we're going to go with the kind of market here where big players will likely be looking to sell the market. Okay, so until this is broken, I'm selling it. And the trade this week is as follows. Just going to hide these. Is as follows. So very basic setup. Okay, this daily area is okay. So for some reason, drawing tool isn't working today. I'm not too much of a tech guy, so we'll just insert. Okay, we'll do the text here. Okay, so it is, we'll make it big. Let's see, so sell NZDUSD at, okay, so I'm just going to go at the top of that range, okay, 0.674, okay, just before it, just in case it goes before it, okay, insert text again, stop loss, okay, we're going to go above the zone, so we're going to go 100 pips, okay, so the stop loss is going to be 110 pips at 68.5. Okay, plenty of room there. And our take profit. Okay, so I'm going to go 64, just in case it does come down here and breaks this line. Support at the bottom of the range. I'm going to go at 0.64. Okay, for a longer term, if you want to hold this longer term. Take profit 0.64. Okay, so that's the setup. Very simple setup, very basic. Working our way down from the higher time frame. That's the setup. You can pause the video. You can write that down. And the way I trade, the way the signal service works, when we take the signals on the weekly charts, the weekly swings, is we enter as a pending order on a Sunday evening or a Monday morning, depending where you are in the world, which time zone you're in. Then we simply enter as a pending order. This will be a pending sell limit order. Then we simply come back towards the end of the week on a Thursday or a Friday, see how the position is, and close it, whether it's in profit or whether it's in loss. We close all trades at the end of the week. As always, trade at your own risk. This is a very nice setup for the week ahead. Again, I'll just explain it once again so you can understand it and how I trade with my method. Okay, so just delete these lines. So I need to get a new mouse today. I've just arrived back home in Bali from Thailand yesterday, so I left some stuff in my place in Thailand, and well, I didn't leave it. I forgot to lift it in my apartment in Thailand, and I will have to get some new things today, mouses and stuff. Okay, so you can see this weekly area here is an area of selling interest. The market is moving sideways coming into this area. Distribution, we'll zoom down into the lower time frames. I see inside this weekly area at this weekly resistance, we have an untested daily area at the top of the range, which will be a likely area for a selling opportunity. You can take it as a pending order, or you can wait for a divergence signal on the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart and enter it that way. Okay, so either way, that's your free setup for the week. If you want to get the full list of 20 possible setups for the weekly swings, simply click the link below. Remember, when you join today, you actually get access to the bonus daily service also. So if you want weekly swing trades and you want to take some day trades, click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com or .com. Sorry, and yeah, any comments, like and share below, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a great week. Will over to fxace.com.